very excited. I love buns for myself and for her. It keeps our hair out of our face and it's just a nice look, and it's usually pretty simple. I'm excited to use the Bun Barz specifically because extra simple, no bobby pins. All right, so we're gonna leave a piece of her hair out and we're gonna use that for later. And gather up her hair. Paisley has relatively thick hair and it has curl. So I'm gonna put a bar on each side and I'm gonna roll her hair towards her face, like so. Once I get down here, I'm gonna leave a little bit of room, squash it, and then pull the hair around into that nice bun. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I love that. Now we're gonna take this, tighten up that bun. We're gonna go around. And there's that pretty little bun, look at that. And that's how easy it is to do a bun with the Bun Bar.
Thanks for the bun, Mommy. You're welcome.